Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying CPU virtualization and clearing conflicts. You need VTX or AMDV enabled. Check firmware settings now. Once confirmed, disable Hyper-V and related features because they block the emulator hypervisor. Make sure to turn off Device Guard and Credential Guard if active, since they reserve virtualization extensions. Then download the Android Emulator Hypervisor Driver installer. Get the exact package for your emulator version, so installation matches what the tools expect. Run the downloaded installer as administrator. This lets the driver register kernel components. If Windows prompts about unsigned drivers, accept only for the known package you downloaded. Once installed, check the driver service with SC Query or Open Device Manager to confirm the hypervisor entry is present and started. Next, configure emulator settings in Android Studio. Select HAXM for Intel or WHPX for Windows hypervisor on supported CPUs, and make sure your AVD. Start your AVD and observe emulator logs. You should see the hypervisor backend initializing, which proves success. If the emulator still falls back to software, run the provided cleanup script, reinstall the driver, and reboot. Driver signing test mode can temporarily allow installation if signature issues occur. Make sure to toggle Hyper-V off in Windows features and reboot because even subtle Hyper-V remnants prevent acceleration. If problems persist, capture the log and recheck firmware virtualization settings. Often it's simply still disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.